What's up, Mustang crew? Do you own an SN95 or a new age Mustang? If you do, go check your heater hoses. Do you have this type? If you do, that could be a potential problem waiting to happen. If there's still the factory originals, that problem could be very soon. These heater hoses are made of rubber and hard plastic. After 21 years of heat cycles, the plastic portion becomes brittle and weak, and it can just snap off. Now, this isn't just a Mustang problem. Many manufacturers use this plastic quick connect. Now, I understand that manufacturers will cheapen out on parts to save money, but come on, man, they shouldn't cheapen out on the cooling system. If anyone's to blame, it's the accountants. I'm sure that the engineers are fully aware of the long-term dangers of using plastic, but it's the accountants that push for using cheaper parts. Can you imagine a plastic water pump? Mini Cooper owners can. Anyway, this particular hose broke during highway travel. I was able to pull over before any major engine damage happened. The replacement hose is made by Motorcraft, and we all know that Motorcraft is great. Cost about $40 each. If you still have the originals on the vehicle, my advice is to do some preventive maintenance and change them, or travel with some backups. The hardest part of the repair is getting the hose clamp off in such a tight space. Now, in my case, when I broke down, the local auto parts store had this Daco molded hose, and that got me home. I could leave that hose on there and call it a day, but what I'm going to do is replace the heater hoses with these custom ones by HPS to match the radiator hoses. You'll need a 3/4 inch connector for the supply side and a 5/8 connector for the return side. Add some worm drive hose clamps and you should be good to go. The HPS hoses cost about $200. I've had the radiator hoses for about 2 years and have had no issues. This channel has more Mustang content. Here's a video showing how to replace the motor mounts on a New Edge V6, and this one shows what a loose steering rack bushing sounds like. Subscribe and have a good day.